guys, welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation, marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we are talking about how to present your lead generation results to management, your CEO, whoever you're giving presentations to. In my first marketing position, I was super lucky because I got to work for this really interesting solar technology startup company where I was actually the only marketing person. So I was creating and implementing all of the strategy, and my CEO would often ask me for marketing reports so I could show the progress we were making with our marketing strategy and how it was impacting sales. So this being my first job, I really didn't know how to present results in a way that would convey how our marketing was helping us meet our business goals. So I had to get very creative and figure out how best to do this. And I want to share some of those tips with you, as well as things that I have learned, since my first marketing position. So before you even think about creating a report or presentation to share your marketing results with your manager or CEO, before that even happens, you need to agree on metrics with your manager or CEO. Now, generally speaking, there are two main goals of marketing strategy. It could be to build awareness, or it could be for lead generation. If your goal is to build awareness, then you want to reach as many eyeballs as possible with your marketing strategy. So some of the metrics that you might want to rely on are things like impressions, shares, social media engagement, anything that is showing that people are seeing your content. If your goal is lead generation, you're going to rely more on metrics like click-through rate, return on ad spend, purchases, meetings scheduled, things that show that people are committing to learning more about your product or are actually making a purchase. After you've agreed on metrics with your manager, you want to make a report template so you can keep track of how your strategy is progressing over time. And something that I've found is very important is you want your report to include the metrics that you agreed on with your management, but you also want to include other metrics that will help you improve your strategy over time, so that even if you don't exactly hit the specific goals that you set with your management, you can still kind of see some progress happening and learn how you can improve your strategy in the future. And this was really relevant to me at the time, working at the solar technology startup company, because they had previously not done any marketing at all. So if you are starting from scratch with a marketing strategy, you have no followers, you have a very small email list or a cold email list, it's going to be really difficult to make large leaps and bounds. In addition to measuring, metrics that are relevant to your business goals, also use metrics that will help you figure out what kinds of content your audience likes, what groups that your audience should be a part of online, and just in general ways that you can improve your strategy moving forward. Okay, so after you have spent about 6 to 8 weeks or so measuring your marketing strategy, and it's time to present to your management or your CEO the results of your strategy, it's going to be really important that you keep those original business goals in mind when you're doing your reporting. So you're going to want to pull the metrics that you agreed on with your manager, and then you want to show the total number of likes, average return on ad spend, things like that, show the averages, but also show the percentage increases in each of these metrics that you are making over time. This can really help improve the look and feel of your reporting, because numbers can seem small, but when you compare them to, what was happening previously, you can really see a lot more growth that way. In addition to understanding how your metrics have improved over time, you also want to offer in your final report some ideas for how the strategy can be improved in the future. Hey guys, editing Renee here. Apparently I forgot to film an outro for this video. So if you have any strategies for presenting lead generation results to management, I would love to hear about those in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks, bye.